This is a particularly large Lasiodora Parahybana female who last night decided that she was not up for copulation, that she was going to eat one of my mature males. So I'm really kind of annoyed at her right now, but it's really hard to be annoyed at something that's just that fantastic looking. I mean, she really is beautiful. Look at her. And really big. She's very, very bulky, about 9 inches. A beautiful specimen. But quite the bitch apparently. So there you go. Large, female, well-built Lasiodora Parahybana. Apparently the male deserved it, according to her. So that's my big girl right there. And that was my finger coming relatively close to her. Lovely.